Maalox Maximum Strength is used to treat symptoms of too much stomach acid, such as stomach upset, heartburn, and acid indigestion. It can also relieve symptoms of extra gas, such as belching, bloating, and feelings of pressure or discomfort in the stomach. Simethicone helps break up gas bubbles in the gut, while aluminum and magnesium antacids work quickly to lower the acid in the stomach. It works on existing acid in the stomach and does not prevent acid production. It may be used alone or with other medications that lower acid production, such as H2 blockers or proton pump inhibitors. If you are self-treating with this medication, be sure to carefully read the package instructions before starting to use it. And remember, liquid antacids usually work faster and better than tablets or capsules. When taking Maalox Maximum Strength, it's important to follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. If you are taking the chewable tablets, make sure to chew thoroughly before swallowing and then drink a full glass of water. If you are using the liquid form, be sure to shake the bottle well before pouring each dose and measure the dose carefully using a medication spoon/cup. Do not use a household spoon. It may also be beneficial to refrigerate the suspension, but do not freeze it. It's important to be aware that Maalox Maximum Strength may interact with other medications, so be sure to talk with your doctor or pharmacist about how to schedule your medications to prevent any problems. If your acid problems persist or worsen after using this product for a week, or if you think you have a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. And if you are using this medication regularly on a daily basis for more than 2 weeks, consult your doctor to see if this is the right medication for you. If you experience nausea, constipation, diarrhea, or headache while taking Maalox Maximum Strength, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist. The magnesium in this product can cause diarrhea, while the aluminum can cause constipation. To help control diarrhea, you can use an antacid that contains only aluminum along with this product. To minimize constipation, be sure to drink plenty of fluids and exercise. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's important to be aware of potential symptoms of low phosphate levels, such as loss of appetite, unusual tiredness, and muscle weakness. Additionally, you should contact your doctor if you experience dizziness, fainting, slow/shallow breathing, slow/irregular heartbeat, mental/mood changes, deep sleep, pain with urination, or signs of a serious allergic reaction like rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of potential side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other unusual symptoms. Before taking Maalox Maximum Strength, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to aluminum hydroxide, magnesium, or simethicone. This product may also contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions, so it's best to consult your pharmacist for more details. If you have health problems such as frequent alcohol use, dehydration, kidney problems, or phenylketonuria, PKU, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. For those with diabetes, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about using this drug safely, as it may contain sugar. If you are pregnant, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of using this medication with your doctor. The same goes for those who are breastfeeding, as this medication may pass into breast milk. Always consult your doctor before using this product. For the best time to take Maalox Maximum Strength and the recommended daily dosage, it's important to follow the instructions provided by your doctor or pharmacist. When taking Maalox Maximum Strength, it's important to be cautious of potential drug interactions. This can include changes in how your medications work or an increased risk for serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Maalox Maximum Strength include phosphate supplements, such as potassium phosphate, and sodium polystyrene sulfonate. Additionally, antacids can interfere with the absorption of many other drugs, so it's important to check with your pharmacist before taking antacids with any other medication. Always consult with your healthcare professional before making any changes to your medication routine. If someone has taken too much Maalox Maximum Strength and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center. Always take overdose seriously and seek help right away. Make sure to attend all your scheduled medical appointments and lab tests. In addition to taking Maalox Maximum Strength, lifestyle changes such as participating in stress reduction programs, quitting smoking, reducing alcohol intake, and making dietary changes like avoiding caffeine, fatty foods, and certain spices can help improve the effectiveness of this medication. It's important to discuss any lifestyle changes with your doctor or pharmacist to see if they could benefit you. If you forget to take Maalox Maximum Strength on your regular schedule, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Remember to take your next dose at the regular time. You should store Maalox Maximum Strength at room temperature, away from light and moisture. If you have the liquid product, you can store it in the refrigerator to improve the taste, but do not freeze it. It's important to keep all medications away from children and pets. When it comes to disposing of Maalox Maximum Strength, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.